Guys, today we're gonna do meat, rice, and beans. You can't go wrong with that. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Nancy's Love Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a dish that's delicious, fast, and easy. Anybody can make this. You're gonna love it. Your family's gonna love it. So let's get started. All right, so I have all the ingredients ready to go. I have steak here. It's a London broil, but you can use whatever type of meat you like. It has to be thick though, so here we have I think this is a 3-pounder, but whatever your family size is, go with that. I have avocados, tomato, I have black beans, and cilantro for the top. All right, so we're gonna start by boiling our beans. We're gonna let it cook for about 5 minutes, just to come to a boil. Gonna bring this down to medium heat, cover it up. If you want, you can add salt and pepper to it. If you don't want anything in it, just let it be. All right, so I'm gonna marinate the meat, and it's really simple with the marinade. Good amount of olive oil on each side. Just gonna brush it a little bit to make sure every piece gets that good olive oil on it. Sprinkle some black pepper. A good amount of salt. I have kosher salt here, and sprinkle some garlic powder. All right, we're gonna flip this baby over. This is a huge piece of meat, guys. We're gonna go to town tonight with this baby. More olive oil. Brush it. Cover it all up. All right. Good amount of salt on this side. Black pepper again. And some garlic powder. All right, guys, now that our meat is marinated, we're gonna go over to the stove and we're gonna cook this. All right, guys, here we are. Now I'm gonna have this on high right now. I'm gonna drizzle more olive oil in the pan. And let that heat up a little bit. This is such an easy, fast dinner, guys. You're gonna love it, especially on nights that you just get home and you don't know what to cook. You need dinner on the table. This is less than half an hour, I guarantee you. And it's always a hit. All right, I feel like this is getting hot enough. I'm gonna put this baby in this pan. Oh, hear the sizzle. Gonna turn this up a little bit on high, and we're gonna cook the meat about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on how you like your meat. We like ours a little on the rare side, so I'm gonna do about 5 minutes on each side since it's a really thick meat. Okay, while our meat is being fried right now, we are gonna cut up our tomatoes and avocado, and I have some cilantro here that goes on top just to be a little fancy. All right, now the meat is seared on one side. Look at that. For 5 minutes. Now we're gonna flip it over and let this sear on this side for another 5 minutes. All right, so we're gonna turn off the meat. It's been on here for 10 minutes, 5 on each side. I'm gonna turn it off and let it sit for about 5 minutes because if you cut it right away, you're gonna get all that juice out of the meat. So I'm gonna put it on the cutting board and just leave it for 5 minutes. Look at everyone, this steak is hot. Look at that baby. We're gonna let it sit, okay? Let it sit for 5 minutes, okay? Be patient. I promise it's gonna be juicy if you let it rest. All right, guys, let's dig in. I want to see what this tastes like. I'm so excited for this dish. Grab a little bit of everything in here. Some tomato, the beans, the rice, the steak. Mmm. It is delicious. All right. We're gonna bring this video to an end so I can go finish my dinner. My kids are waiting for dinner. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Leave a comment. Let me know how you like it. Let me know what kind of meat you use. Until next time, I guess. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. See you later. Mwah.